am in favor of
Sir, your turn.
representing and
Sir.
walking the footsteps.
If he doesn't get the BJP ticket, will
If he doesn't get the BJP ticket,
I
then
feel that BJP should also, the way the BJP legislators have praised him during the condolence motion. Before me, the person who moved the condolence motion, the legislator of the BJP, Mr. Patni, he reminded the House of the unique margin, the mammoth margin that Francis Kushwaha got in 10,000 margin, on which I call the further part. But his legacy has to be taken forward. The test could be done by his son, who is not new to me. Should also be.
so you are in favor of giving ticket to him.
I am in favor of him representing Maharashtra in the future.
Would you speak to your partners then coalition on this?
I have spoken to them.
Okay.
You have spoken to BJP. I have spoken. I have told them my view
Ah.
that he should be given ticket.